Okay, so now we're gonna go into the nitty-gritty of this with our one pan. We have our seared chicken to the side here. We're gonna start off with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're just going to saute a little bit of, well, not a little bit, half a red bell pepper and half a green bell pepper and some onions. You want it until they're translucent, not until they're golden brown. We're not trying to get them crispy or anything like that. So once this gets nice and hot, have them, ooh, that got hot real quick, baby. That is nice and translucent, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. This is 2 cups of rice that I have already washed. And then I'm also going to add 2 chunky monkey tablespoons of tomato paste. Now I'm gonna add in my beans. So for this I wanted to do guandules, but we couldn't find any, so those are pigeon peas. And this is like 1 pan skillet rice or whatever, to me is moro. And moro is just rice and beans or whatever you want in 1 pan.
That looks good.
Now I'm gonna add, you can use chicken stock, but Priya has this brodo broth, and this is the all-in-one, I guess, bone broth. Okay, so this stage right here where you guys are adding the liquid, just a little bit, yes please. Okay, that's good. This is where you want to play around with how salty you want it, how garlicky you want it. This is the chance that you got. So I'm gonna bring that to a boil before I add my the chicken and the olives. But
this looks so good.
I'm gonna add una sopita, which is a chicken bouillon. Is that what it is?
Bouillon.
Bouillon. Una sopita.
Una sopita. Like me. Them knees.
Yes, this is looking good, baby.
Alexa, play Savage Remix by Beyonce.
Savage Remix featuring Beyonce.
Can you get...
Wanna fuck with me?
Okay.
Turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Chef's cause she's a treat. She's so bougie. I'm savage. Head too nasty.
At this point, you do feel like you need a bit of salt. Just remember, just add a little bit because it is going to boil down this water, so it's going to become concentrated. So just add a little bit to start. You can always add a little bit more later.
Big B and that B stand for bands. If you want to see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek. So now I'm just going to add some olives all throughout.
God, it looks just delightful.
And I like to move it around like the moro, because if not, for whatever reason, as it starts drying, the olives like to center in one place. Break it up. I'm like a middle school principal at a dance.
Save room for Jesus.
Save room for Jesus. That shit used to piss me off.
That used to piss me off.
Sir, why are you playing Little John's Yeah if
Why
you do not want me
right.
to try it with Brandon B? You know what I'm saying? Like
Brandon B. Nothing like a Chase M.
Nothing like a Hunter. A Hunter A.
Oh God. What a night.
What a night indeed. Oh my god, those colors. Is this the first time I'm seeing colors in my life? Ooh, baby. Yeah, so now that it's at a boil, I'm gonna start putting the chicken in. I'm just waiting for this baby to preheat. Right now it's at 135. Almost there. It looks very beautiful, y'all.
Are you putting the chicken in now?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for this goddamn thing.
What temperature is it?
345. 350. Shit.
I can turn it on low though.
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken now. You really want to nestle it.
Nestled and nuzzled. I need some music. Alexa, play Beyonce radio.
Station Beyonce.
So I'm just gonna add some garnish. Not that it needs it, because it's honestly very colorful. But just an extra, you know, just a little extra zazz, you know what I'm saying? So some recipes say to cover it, some say don't. I find that covering it makes all the difference in the world, so I am going to be covering this before I pop it into the oven. It just helps keep that moisture, and since it's starting to dry out, I don't want the rice to get super dry. Ooh, you know what? Putting foil on a piping hot item is just... And there you guys have it, a one-pan rice with chicken. And then we also made some tostones and some empanadas. Please get into it.
Sickening.